that video is not quite complete yet. I apologize. I do my absolute best to get a new edit out for you guys each and every week. I try to post every single Wednesday, but of course I got a little bit behind schedule this week. Had a busy week and it's absolutely crazy around here. We got this, that, and everything else going on around the house. And, you know, Vera's getting ready for preschool. We got preschool orientation. I got a million things going on at work. And you guys know how it goes. Life just happens. It's hard to keep up sometimes. So, a little bit behind on the editing. I'm really excited about this edit back here. I can't wait to show that one to you guys. Hopefully going to have that posted here this week still. I'm thinking about aiming for possibly a Friday release for the new edit. Really excited about that one. So definitely hit subscribe, hit the like button, please do all the things. Make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss all the new uploads on the channel. I really, really would appreciate it, you guys, if you would hit the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. It's absolutely free. Why don't you? I mean, it's free. Might as well smack that subscribe button while we're... Alright, we're off that topic. So yeah, it's just been a really busy week, and I did my first ever live stream. Huge thank you to Demonology for having me on the show.
Demonology 101 with Professor Snatch'em. Hey man, we snatched them souls and run. Hey man, what's your thought on the Dodge Demon? Tom, I mean, what do you think about it?
I mean, I think we should get it on the track someday. In the rocket racing, you said. I mean, hey, I know you don't have any electronics in there, but I mean, around here you can still hop into that electronics class and maybe you get yourself 2 paychecks in one day.
Hey, you know, that's the neat thing about bracket racing is I could actually race Tom's dragster in a race.
And you could take me to school, too.
I don't know about that, Tom. I don't know about that. Hey, man, you're going to have to take them electronics off there. You know, I'm the foot braking man.
If you missed it, I'll leave a link down in the description to the live stream where we talked all about bracket racing. If you don't know Demonology, there's a lot of great drag racing content on his channel as well. And a huge congratulations to Demonology for achieving 100,000 subscribers. What an accomplishment. That's my dream, man, and you're just living it. So congratulations on the 100,000 subscribers, and another huge thank you for having me on the show. So I thought maybe I'd take the opportunity tonight to answer one of the most frequent questions that I get, whether it's through Instagram or Facebook or whatever it is, email. I get asked two questions quite frequently, actually, about my channel. So I thought maybe I would make a quick video tonight. Definitely a little bit outside of the norm on this channel. This channel is all about bracket racing content and our family adventures down at the racetrack with some tips and tricks sprinkled in between. But tonight I'm thinking about answering the 2 most frequent or very, very frequent questions that I get about this whole YouTube situation. And that is, what editing software are you using, and how are you making your thumbnails? Ever since I started making YouTube videos, I think it's been like, this is like the 3rd full drag racing season I think I've documented. So if you're a longtime subscriber, comment down below. I know some of you guys are still in here and you've been here from the very beginning, and thank you so much for that continued support and viewership on the channel. And great to have you new subscribers as well. Now, the answer to the question, what video editing software are you using, is gonna probably blow your mind because it is free software. Check this out, you guys. I'm making every one of my YouTube videos that I've ever made has been made on iMovie. This is free software that came on my Mac, which, by the way, my Mac is a 2011 model and still kicking, okay? But check it out, I'm kind of building a whole new editing computer with new software. I got some new monitors back here. I'm building a whole new desk. I'll show this all to you guys, but I'm kind of building out a new computer just for editing, so some things are going to probably be changing on the channel. Some things are probably going to be changing in the videos. I'm hoping to up the production value even a little bit more. I get a lot of comments saying like, dude, your videos are really good. They're really good production value. They're so smooth. They have great shots, great quality, all this stuff. And I thank you. I mean, I do make videos that I'm absolutely proud of. Otherwise, I don't post them. It's got to be something I'm proud of because that's just part of doing this for me. It's what I enjoy. I try to push myself to make a better and better and better video every single time. But every single video that I have ever posted has been made on iMovie, of all things. So iMovie is the only video editing software that I have any any experience with at all. Every single video I've ever made has been on iMovie. And get this, the thumbnails are made on Microsoft PowerPoint. So PowerPoint and iMovie are the two things that I use to pretty much make all the content on my channel. So check out this desk situation, you guys. I've been working real hard on this desk. Bear with me, I don't really have all of the cord situation figured out yet, but this desk, I love this thing. Check this out. Click of a button into stand-up mode. I love the standing desk option. I've been using it a lot. Of course, I got the dual monitor stand on the back that I've been building out with two 27-inch monitors that I picked up off of Amazon Prime Day. And of course, I had to incorporate some cool lighting on there because why wouldn't you? This top was like a butcher block that I purchased from Menards, and I kind of finished it out. Did the polyurethane on all the good stuff on the desktop, so it's nice and smooth and sealed up. I'm not going to get any slivers or anything like that. And then, of course, my computer. This is the old girl that's still kicking. I'm real close to getting my new computer. I got it all spec'd out. I got it quoted, just waiting to pull the trigger because it is extremely expensive. But this is the old 2011 MacBook Pro that I've been using. It can only run one monitor right now, so right now we're not set up on two monitors. But hopefully the new computer is going to be here in about a month or so, and then it's going to have a nice docking station, and we're going to be running dual monitors, and we're going to be using Final Cut Pro instead of iMovie. So Final Cut Pro is very similar, structure to iMovie, and I think it's going to be fairly easy for me to kind of pick up on it. Just want to quick mention that DaVinci Resolve is another free editing software that you can use, and it has way more capabilities than iMovie. It's like a powerhouse, and it's really great at color grading and all of that kind of stuff that iMovie knows nothing about. There's all kinds of capabilities in DaVinci Resolve, and I know a lot of people that use that. That's also free software. I have zero experience with it, and I was like fully vested in the whole iMovie thing, and DaVinci Resolve is actually quite a bit different than iMovie. I didn't want to make the change unless I kind of upgraded my computer, and since I'm upgrading my computer, I just figured go right to Final Cut since it's so similar to iMovie. So if you're just getting started in this and you're kind of wondering what video editing software you want to use, I mean, I use iMovie, but maybe the recommendation would be to look at DaVinci Resolve if you want something that's still free but a lot more capabilities. So there's that. Check it out, guys. If you're interested in kind of seeing how I put a video together, if you're interested in kind of getting a couple tips and tricks on how I actually make my YouTube videos, not necessarily iMovie specific tips, but just video editing tips in general, let me know down in the comments. Definitely give this video a like, and maybe I can put something quick together, kind of show you guys a little behind the scenes of how these videos are actually made. If that's something that interests you, definitely let me know down in the comments below. Definitely don't forget to go and hit up Demonology. There's all kinds of great drag racing content over on the Demonology channel, and of course there's a link down in the description to the live stream that we did last night, bracket racing talk, all kinds of fun. You definitely want to not miss that. Link down in the description. I'm gonna get back to editing. I'm trying to get another video out for you guys this week. Hopefully I can have the edit done and hope to post it by Friday. Keep your fingers crossed. Definitely ring the bell so you don't miss it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.